In this tutorial, I will show you stacked bar graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access stacked bar graph tool from here. This is stacked bar graph tool. After accessing, just draw a rectangle, and you can see this is the data input or spreadsheet, and here is the stacked bar graph. After that, I am press data here, YouTube, Facebook, and then clicking here, views and subscribe. So I am making it 100, and in Facebook this is also 90. Here is subscribe 250, and here is 225. Also here is few options. This is import data. You can import data from your PC. This is transpose. You can transpose row to column and column to row. Also this is cell style. You can see this is, you can put it 2-digit decimal or without any decimals, and column width you can customize it, and this is revert, and this is apply button. So I am applying it, and you can see this is stacked bar graph. This is stacked bar graph. This is subscribes. This is, and this is legend. This is Facebook, YouTube legend. After that, you can access type data by right clicking the bar graph. You can add drop shadow. You can add legend to the across the top. You can customize bar width, cluster width, or it is, you can see this is value axis on the top side, bottom side, on both side. If you want, you can make it on the both side. Also here is value axis, and this is category axis. I have already discussed all of them in the several videos. I hope you will check it for your own. So after clicking that, this is, here is the legend that was in the right side. Now it is in the top of the stacked bar graph tool. So also you can access here, you can access direct selection tool and change any of the color. You can change the color options from here. You can see, you can change the color from here easily. I am accessing direct selection tool here. Now it is, and after that I am making it, and this is, you can in this way. Also you can edit the font type, font size. You can edit or customize it easily from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Keep editing.